Hello everyone, once again it's time for Walkthrough Wednesday. This is Cody Swallow at Primo RV in Carencro, Louisiana. Today we're going to show you this 2021 Grand Design Imagine3100RD or rear den. This is a nice versatile floor plan. I'll show you when we get inside. But the first thing you'll notice, you got a nice big pass-through storage up front here. All aluminum construction with the fiberglass exterior. You got a great big awning across the front here that's electric also. You have your outdoor speakers and then your LED light strip that runs all the way across. You've also got a place out here where you can hook up a TV to cable and electrical. Nice big solid steps. This one's got 2 slides on it. It weighs just under 8,000 pounds and is just under 36 feet at 35 foot 11 inches overall. That's from tip to tail. Take this all in. So back here, you've got 1 slide here and an opposing slide on the opposite side with your television directly across from your theater seating here. The beautiful thing about this floor plan and what makes it so versatile is it's a great couples coach or entertaining coach because you have plenty of room to seat people. But if you need to, this sofa will fold out to a bed as well as the sofa on the other side, so you can sleep another 2 adult couples or 3 or 4 kids. Back here, you got your electric fireplace. It's also a 5,000 BTU heater. And inside of here is your AM/FM radio with your CD and DVD player. You've also got this nice backlighting around your television, and throughout you've got the nice pull down shades. And in the theater seats here, you've got the heat and the massage, and those are facing directly at your television. Kitchen is well pointed, lots of storage. You got a nice big pantry here with the motion sensor light. You've got lots of counter space next to your cooktop, so you got a lot of food prep area. And you've got these nice great big drawers. All metal guides with roller ball bearings, complete plywood box, as well as another big pot and pan drawer down here with these neat little pegs to keep things from sliding around in there. Got your Furrion oven, your microwave, and just tons of cabinet and storage space. Gas and electric refrigerator here. This is the 8 cubic foot. And then on the other side here, you've got more counter space. Great big single compartment sink, and you got your nice pull-out sprayer. And then you've got more storage up above and all the cabinets here, as well as base cabinets, and then more storage drawers here. Table or dinette set. This will seat 2 easily, but if you want to, you can pull this out and rotate it so that you can sit. There's 2 fold-up chairs that come with it, so you can sit 4 here. But when you don't want to have that space, fold up here. This will also make a nice little desk or work area because you got USB ports and electrical outlets right here. And you also have in the kitchen another little leaf here that'll give you some extra counter space. And walking towards the front, you've got a nice big bathroom, stand-up shower, plenty of room to move around, and you've got this nice retracting shower door. And what this does is as it closes each time, it's squeegeeing all the water off of there so you don't have any mold or mildew build up on there. Got lots of counter space in here, as well as more storage above and below. And you've got a storage cabinet up here over your commode and your ceramic commode down here. I'm gonna go up in the front bedroom here. So another nice thing that they do in the Grand Design Imagines, they give you this big closet up here for more hanging space. It's got the motion sensor light in there as well. Storage drawers here, as well as more storage drawers next to the bed, and then hanging space on either side as well. Back here, you've got these nice little LED lights if you want something subtle and you want something a little bit brighter. 2 different settings on there. Next to the bed on either side, you've got these little cubbies with electrical outlets in there, as well as USB ports. That'll work for your phones or tablets, or if you have a CPAP machine. And then more storage up above here. The other thing they do that's really nice are these pocket doors. So these will swing, slide in and out, but what that does is prevents them from bumping into each other. You got the same thing on your bathroom door here. Digital thermostat for your air conditioning. This is a 50 amp coach, so you got 1 AC back here in the bedroom, and then another one in the living area up here with another digital thermostat here on the wall. And then your control panels right when you walk in. And that's got a motion sensor on it as well, so as you walk in or pass by, it'll light up to be able to see all the controls on it. So once again, this has been the 2021 Grand Design Imagine3100RD. I'm Cody Swallow here at Primo RV in Carencro, Louisiana. Thank you again and have a blessed day.